All right, today I'm going to be making a burrito bowl using vegetables. All right, so right here I have a lemon. All right, I have jalapeño. I have an onion, tomato, and avocado. Absolute goodness. And then of course I have beans, which I'm going to make refried beans. Absolute goodness. All right. And I also have some leftover rice, which I'm going to reheat. But let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up all the vegetables. All right. So first I'm going to cut up the onion, like onion. I'm going to use this onion to make the refried beans. Absolute goodness. All right. So I'm just going to cut this up. All right, cut up the onion, put this to the side, then cut up a piece of lemon. Should have did the lemon because the rest of the lemon's gonna have some onion-y taste now. So cut up the lemon. All right, put this aside, just gonna need 2 pieces of that. Take the avocado, cut it in half like this. Absolute goodness. Cut around the seed, split it open. Like that. Get the seed out of there. And then take the avocado and then slice it like this. Oh, shaking around a little bit. A little bit like this. Absolute goodness. Now you have avocado pieces in there. Absolute goodness. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this to the side. And then I have the tomato and jalapeño. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the jalapeño. Absolute goodness. Take this. Slice it like that. Cut up the jalapeno, then the tomato. I'm gonna take this, cut up the top of it. Cut up the tomato, doesn't have to be fine slices. Twist it like that. All right, we're now ready to cook. So I'm gonna take this, put this to the side, and then pull up the beans. All right, so we're gonna make refried beans. And in order to do this, you're gonna take the beans and take the beans. And these are already seasoned beans, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just press them down. Just keep on pressing the beans down. Just keep on mashing them down like this. It's absolute goodness. All right, so I have the pan going on right here. The pan's heated up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of olive, 100% all-American olive oil in here, all right? Pour a little bit of that in there, all right? And then I'm gonna take the onion, remember the onion that I cut up? I'm gonna add the onion to the pan. Absolute goodness, all right? I'm gonna add the onion to it. And then I'm just gonna saute these onions just a little bit to get them nice and crispy and soft at the same time. Absolute goodness. All right, so I'm gonna have those in there. I'm just gonna saute them. Get them even. Look at this. Come up to the screen. Smell the onion. All right, absolute goodness. I'm gonna saturate them a little bit. And while that's going on, I'm gonna actually get a little bit of water. You're gonna need a little bit of water. So what I'm doing right here is I'm going to refry the beans. I have water right here, 100% all-American water, and these are going to rehydrate the beans, all right, while I fry them. Absolute goodness, all right? So I have that. And another thing that you're gonna need with this recipe, I add a little bit of pepper, all right? 100% all-American pepper, all right? Add a little bit of pepper in there. And what else do I have? I have a lot of seasoning. I have this in here. Oh, cilantro. So I'm gonna get cilantro. All right, forgot to add cilantro. This is 100% all-American cilantro. All right. I'm gonna take some cilantro. I'm gonna put this aside, and you know what? I'm gonna cut up a little bit of the cilantro, and this is going to be used in this absolute goodness. All right, so while that's frying, just gonna stir this up a little bit. Stir up the onions. All right, they look kind of crispy. Let's zoom in a little bit so you can see the texturation of it. Nice and crispy and soft at the same time. Absolute goodness. And zoom out. And so like now, I'm going to add the beans that I mashed up. All right, so I'm just going to take this and pour all the beans, the leftover beans, in here. Now, they are at a thick consistency. And remember I said I was going to add water to it, all right, to rehydrate the beans. So what I'm going to do here, I'm actually going to take some water. Look at that. I'm rehydrating the beans. That was about a cup of water. I mean, it may look excessive, but in actuality, it is not. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the temperature up because I'm going to reconstitute the beans, and then I'm going to evaporate a lot of the water. I want a thick consistency going here. All right, that's how we're going to bring it to absolute goodness. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward through this right here and get the beans cookerated. All right, absolute goodness. All right, so it's cooked down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the fire down a little bit, and then I'm going to add some right here garlic. All right, I'm going to mince it in here, or whatever you call this, press it into here. All right, absolute goodness. So press the garlic in there. Look at that. Look at that fresh garlic. Absolute goodness. So I'm going to fork it in there. All right, smells good. Smells great. And then I have an ingredient called cumin. All right, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cumin in here. Put a little bit of cumin in there. And then I'm going to stirrate this around. Now, you can add salt or pepper to taste. I choose not to add any salt. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but not right now. So we're going to add this and then mixerate it up and stir it around. All right, and this gets the flavoration really going around. All right, so do that, turn it up. We're gonna try to get some more of this moisturization out of the pan and absorb it inside of the beans. Absolute goodness. Stir this up. Now look at it. Look at the consistency of it. Let me zoom in. Look how thick it's getting right here. It's refrying the beans, all right? Absolute goodness. I like the consistency a little bit thicker than this, so I'm just going to fry-tate them a little bit longer. Absolute goodness. Now, one thing about this is on the sides, a lot of the beanation gets crustified on the side, and all you have to do is just take a spoon and scrape that off. Absolute goodness. Get that. And just occasionally do that and just mix it around like this. Look at that. Look how thick that is. Absolute goodness. Keep this. Try it a little bit. That's some good refried beans. Absolute goodness. So now it's time to put this all to work. I'm going to turn the fire off. Alright, so now we have all of this rice. We have the rice. The rice is heated up. I'm going to take the beans, refried beans. Absolute goodness. Pour some refried beans on top. Alright, then I'm going to take some jalapeños. Put them on top. All right. Put some tomatoes on top. A couple of tomatoes. Scoop out a little bit of avocado. Put that on top right there. Then I'm going to take some green onion. Put some green onion on top. Next, gonna put some cilantro. Throw some cilantro on top. And then top it off with a lime or lemon. I'm gonna take it, squeeze a little bit of lime, lemon on top. Absolute goodness. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Look at that. 100%, all right, all American, all right, burrito bowl. All right, doesn't get much more American than that. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.